how to find and copy Roblox Sound ID 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find and copy Roblox Sound ID. So first of all, you need to log into your Roblox account, and then you have to click on the create section, and it will redirect you to the creator hub. And after coming here, you have to click on the store, and after clicking on the store you just have to simply click on the audio and select the audio file. Let's just select this one, and you can just play the audio from here, and you can also just click on here and click on more info. And after clicking on more info, you can just uh, find the sound ID here. As you can see, between the asset and the up in the sky, that's the audio name, and between the asset and the audio name you can find the audio ID. From here you can just select it and copy it and paste it wherever you want to paste it. So that is how you find and copy Roblox Sound ID. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.